Asimo. I say Terebia, you see, Koroko Asemba, Kwame. Oh, can na acquire to say any hardware. But the reality is that see a clear no tumuswa and some of the kosono and yensempa. Because anytime you speak the hard truth, anytime you will tell Kotoko the hard truth biano, it's when you get people who will tag you say nay, you don't want the best for the club, you don't want club ne kanko. But Kwame, why me Kotoko problem? Why I know Kotoko problem? Yes, one aspect here FA. One aspect Ghana Football Association omunyo but say back club nankasa as a football club Kwame. Why na you more problem? Oh Kotoko say. Kotoko na ne say no enemy. Kotoko na ne no problem. Kwame. Ne your production wona make say enei e wo se nipa dodo na esa boy abaso adentia because see yete ha na nyoma enkoyi okoroko na kwa ye betimi afri ani asechire aka no kona kire koroko club no so obia mo trumpet mani a ye ne abebo trumpet no Kwame, when you sit down na nyoma bi say ba you don't expect us to come and shield saade no. You don't expect us to come near Batana say near jubility. No. As a way, person can be because come back. How? First of all, and Crawford Corner Mujina Gate, come one echo for more gate.
Nimni, I was a Kotoko because we are not NS for the tomba or concro from Sweden. But this particular semi came. Me do Gate when I could be now. So until what were they doing? So meaning say San Crawford come as him obey ni other two guys on Mokan was my kwame ye can say. Meaning say you could concur for the conform mama or so. So kwame. Say girl no confirming say NS Nina demand.
Kwame, that's not the problem. My issue has to do with Kotokona obo home no kwame. A dear na also ye Emma ni nesika also nya ewo gate wono because ono be a partnership mpoa onipa ho nipa ko rep ho enti ne ade ade sika ebra club no kwame adenti na o se jaima individual NSA also ever enkwa ho rep ane ho ebegigiska so kwame wan po na be ka no kwere se anaso obey say nesika e wo say banyina akra no omode makodoko so one koroko anyina djuma ye e wo ho in the first place but now asem ni siwie ye no kwame afi ni ye pe ni ye fo we nkotum ye nyese kwame football club enra I said it here you need to run it in a proper way. Kwame, you need to plan for the club. It's not like you are just there. Time will see your kobo game near call. Kwame, you don't do that. You should find people at backyard. Kwame, any more or more year strategic plan in Edema club no. Because Kwame, big club, a big club. You don't sit down now and then you may be a keke. No. See a ball game. Now obi original gate Jessica Kotoko game, home game. Na ni pakonya Kotoko rep. And the gate or Jessica Diama Santi Kotoko. Kwame, how? Mimi nti bi krada. And I talk so name ya huni sa. Because I same way there. But ene obetime na high rank e Kotoko management mu. Anase Kotoko bu eku na ankasa ene. Omo atna ho amatim no erane at loss no ese by be defend say ne san krofo no yenya wo mo to come asem wo kan wa kan say until now those people Kwame, they should take note of this say me and yes a club in pe club nasem because the power asem no no but Kwame you are here utati you can go flow bebre and they all can okona club no they feel say club no ewo eye ahifie club no e belong to Emensia. And we Opemsuo radio, you also belong to Mensia.
We are club no na say you need a kind no chese MP club na sem.
No, but the point is, any issue when kwana abo. We've been saying this, we've been telling them the hard truth. But you will get people, and I mean, myself maybe because people feel that we are also based at Mensia. You know, free, and you know, at the end, say we should share it, and you can cover. And you're going to say, but Kwame, same way, how are you going to defend this? This matter, how are you going to defend this? How? You don't do that. And to know Kwame, Okasa. Is this same management, one of them, and I see a nice handle for chrono? So if you are sitting or somewhere, Kwame, you don't expect us to praise you always. No, you won't do that. Come, it's up to them. Kakrebi on Abdul Salam ne FNA. I mean, betting scandal koso. Come, you see, Abdul Salam Yakubu on Kananutum.
Ah,
yes. On Kananutum. My reasons are simple.
Asama bana o kanon Kananutum.
Asama ba. Penya all canon, your first time in you. Your first time in Kwame, a started by no, a dear no 2 years. A dear no way found. And Utsending some now all cana. He was emphatic, say, Nipa, ne or didn't battle so no more corner. Ebusa say, Abdul Salam Yakubu, or Tabeta na, or the because the piano, utim now, or Diano, the piano, on the scoreline bar bontre, I never bounce on pa, na Juma. So for all this while, Kwame, that's not the point. The point is, you've gotten the opportunity and your course from somewhere unknown person or the number. Tell me what I say. A dear corner here in the first place. What did you do? You did nothing about that. You sat down and then your money koso. Oh, you put my way. So enough. Moreover, they know. And the first time they know what is going on. Only Rahim intro. He did say, and me, Adena, or Mobano because our modi. Omo me say ni pass me fin crofo when we say when is I know monka. But you come and all because say and I will be and I say and you say cause me why you know you people you know what the problem is. Come they know they shouldn't tickle themselves and be laughing. It will come back and hurt them. I did a course where Italy football ebe good now. I did a course Juventus mo and no more koyenya. I did a course now Italy intimi na subio. Italy Syria intimi na subio. Yet Ghana ha score like me bad on team before game 2-3 days and pa ebesi ya when we near di ya score like predicted. Ghana ha ball papa bear pa come here born asia obet my critical analysis I'm pa say ebeto Ghana tactics ben and your ball ha ya obet my 11 players team weni to your analysis based on my performance I'm nafa esi to be pass call ya onimie oka and come me say FF4 way on way akosinya 30 sorry President Kurt come game no on fa ho
and now me no nya on fa ho sese ya no your football so on fa on there say
football no hwe so na bi ni dey no ye say dey football so say dey football so we dey nka kosinya 30 yo dey bia no Ghana ha kwam dey na hu say nei dey o ba bi position bi okwa dey obeba no ame ya fidi okoye no
sa
ha kwa mo dwumadie emi afidi okoe no kra. Hey, my problem is Kwame Kate na our country ha you witness what near course so and you know at least when a glorious opportunity say obetima aya enoma ye when a fine opportunity to do things right and leave a mark because their course wa kosinya ntasi cham no now ha you know what is at stake. So at least when you are clear about Ghana football, so you should do it in a proper way to leave a mark. But you are too oye Kwame. Sorry, football. They be ame bisa say nay second vice na okonya no we CAF no. Enyo ma omo ye oho no Kwame. Eni de oye o Ghana ha no e ya de kro. E boy bria bebre. Because enyo ma ben pa na ket di gu akoma e boa Ghana football. Am bu baby mamiti
ket ba nti onye bibia ma
enyo ma ben no ya e boa Ghana football e tumpo akoso bu baby mamiti
cut them young
anyway we fix no Kwame you see e to bia on Kwame nyese anya agro ni edina ha o anya agro ni edina ha cut them young ben
ni cut them young
ya both Ghana Premier League
and they cut by a man
for the league ni to tata and class no just be bia koso ye ni sponsorship also cut them young now cut them young are they going to do things right I know e betima bo ma Ghana football akona ni cut them young no e dey no be ye e dey abo ma Ghana football akona ni Alaji Musa okay o se ni obo dreams FCD I cut on ankasa ne dia ade dey tie sankanya no kra ene obi twa ntoto so kwa me den ananka wo be ya fa ho ade na wotie wo tiri bi
mantehwe
so metia you are telling me so we cut them young and you should praise him you should jubilate how mo guri pe no ma so Ghana hasa yetie memo ase ye di book no ana ese o ma no na ntikwamu kasa tetifo na se empanifo matwam se jai Ghana football mo ma e twomo timi mfa sebi efenya sa enwane Ghana football ma ne nye ani atia na book na suade minimwei na all players nimpo obutimi ne obi e ma ne catch o mo se eni o mo konko suade na den a whole lot of stories mi wa mo musima ko school kwa no eni ma mo ye no eni school na mo kwa ne bo abra you not doing the right thing. And never we young kwana go on egu and come you can't leave the clubs because they're also part of the problems.
Clubs no.
Oh come they are aware. And then now say what club beko ebeba. So we club officials said you beko.
And there will be our slot. And they will say kata say will be our slot.
That's the where the problem is. And no man enko your horum no. They can't speak the truth. Makot now I know mo ye ohoro enya papa you go and sit there then be doing yeah you come back home na later wo mama na mo besu why mo so akere why
say kwara mo congress no mo come man sen chofo enko because mo se mo kwa o mo nsem mo de ba bonten
nti mo ba mo besu mo so akere why mo so akere why when no opportunity akotena wa mo ankasa club no munim say eno mo na ekoso enya emwa mo but you go and sit there na makoji atum Mobile bontinye na no man koya na mabana mo statemo kasa
mate
Kwame they should give us a break no mo nye no maye ho no
me da say eno Zuba